Here are 10 simple versus advanced daily use English sentences. Asking and offering help. 1. Simple, can I help you? Advanced, would you like a hand with that? 2. Simple, help me, please. Advanced, I'd appreciate some help, please. 3. Simple, give me that. Advanced, could you hand that over to me? 4. Simple, I need your help. Advanced, I could really use your assistance. 5. Simple, come with me. Advanced, would you mind accompanying me? 6. Simple, wait a minute. Advanced, could you hold on for a moment? 7. Simple, don't worry. Advanced, there's nothing to be concerned about. 8. Simple, I don't know. Advanced, I'm not quite sure. 9. Simple, I understand. Advanced, I see where you're coming from. 10. Simple, I agree. Advanced, I'm with you on that.